Hello, everybody. Today we are going to go over the immune system. So, in your Edmodo, go to the post that says Intro to the Immune System. We have the reading, we have my email you can send your assignments to, and we have the practice questions. So let's get into this. So we hear a word a lot, and we might not know what it means. That word is pathogen. So a pathogen is anything that can get into your body and cause disease. All right, here are several types of pathogens. I will let you go over that table on your own. But the immune system is a host defense system. So what that means is whatever the pathogen is, that is invading, and then whatever it feeds on is the host. So when we get a virus, we are its host. All right? So the immune system is made up of many biological structures. So white blood cells, entire organs, and many biological processes. All right? We have two parts to it. We have the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. So the innate immune system provides a quick, non-specific response to pathogens. So it is kind of a general response. It responds the same way regardless of which pathogen is attacking. So it includes barriers. So your skin and mucous membranes are barriers. If those don't keep pathogens out of the body, your body also has general responses to pathogens, including chemicals and cells that attack the pathogens. So leukocytes, or white blood cells, will engulf and destroy pathogens. All right? So adaptive immune system is when pathogens successfully enter the body and avoid all of the defenses of your innate immune system. So it takes longer for the adaptive immune system to launch an attack, but once it happens, it's very effective, and an adaptive response can usually lead to immunity. All right? So your body is going to recognize self molecules, parts that belong in and on your body, and if it identifies a non-self protein, it is going to do something about that, your immune system. So a lot of non-self proteins are called antigens. They bind to specific receptors on immune system cells, and that triggers an adaptive immune response. All right? So usually what this immune system response is the production of antibodies. So an antibody is a molecule that specifically matches the invading antigen. All right? So if you get vaccinated against something, they're basically putting a dead strain of the virus in you so that your adaptive immune system recognizes it so that it can make healthy antibodies. And likewise, if you get infected with the illness, your body is also going to make antibodies. All right? So another thing the immune system does is identifies and eliminates tumor cells. This is called immune surveillance. The lymphatic system also helps out the immune system. So it produces lymphocytes, which help defend the body. And finally, we have the neuroimmune system and the peripheral immune system. So the neuroimmune system is the immune system that protects the brain and spinal cord. All right, so these are protected by selectively permeable barriers. That means only certain things can get through. So you have your blood-brain barrier and your blood-spinal cord barriers. The the types of immune cells in the neuroimmune system are called glial cells. The peripheral immune system is the immune system that does not involve your brain and your spine. And this one, the main cells are leukocytes or white blood cells. So hopefully that all makes sense. Make sure you finish your questions and turn them into me.